Hello, my name is Rodrigo and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review the V410 conference camera from Nearity, which is kind enough to send this camera to our channel for our review. Hello everyone and welcome to another review video on our channel. And today we got the company that did reach us for a review for this conference camera. As a disclaimer, this is a non-sponsored video, but an honest review about this product that they kindly send to us for an honest review to help you decide if this is for you or not. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and check it out what does come inside this camera if you get it yourself. So in the box of the Nearity conference camera, you will get a manual with some information for the camera, a remote control for the camera with some functions that we're gonna take a look a little bit later on this video, a power cord, a USB-C to USB-A cable to connect it to your PC, and the V410 conference camera. The V410 does have a sensors on the front and mic as well, and in the back you will see that is a PoE Ethernet connection, as this is NDI ready camera. The USB-C connection as well is on the back, and the power connection to power on the camera. This camera is on the back, does not have HDMI output, but have this cutout right here, which is probably for the 4K model, which this one that we're reviewing right now is the 2K model. The first thing that you're gonna to do when you get this camera and plug it into the computer, and it's pretty easy, and you just plug and play and will actually recognize the computer, your camera, automatically. So the first thing you gotta do, you gotta go to this website right here to download the software, so you'll be able to update the firmware to this camera. This is the first thing that you wanted to do it, because they're gonna be pushing stuff to the camera that actually will be able to have some extra features in the future. So this is gonna be the best thing. So go ahead to this website and download right away after you connect your camera. Right now you're hearing the speaker from my laptop, which a lot of people use the laptop speaker if you're on a meeting or in a conference room for any meeting. So this is usually a test, because this one, what I'm here right here in my office, I have a big server behind me. So now we're gonna be switching the microphone from the camera that reduce the background noise. So now you're here with the microphone built in the camera, which reduces the noise of your environment. Is also one of the features of this camera. Again, on the same room with the same noise that you heard here before. So now with a little bit less noise, because I'm sure that this microphone also blocking all the other noise around. It means that even if you're in a room like this, you'll be able to speak it clearly. And also you can hear that it's a little bit artificial, the voice, or kind of a little bit more non-natural, but because it's the amount of noise I have in this room and the amount of the noise cancellation, this microphone is also working to make sure that you can hear me and not hear me much of the background noise. All right, so right now we're going to check it out, the features of the controller of the camera V410 for Nearity that actually come with. So let's go ahead and check it out, what this controller can offer you while controlling with this device. You're going to see over here that's a camera that can turn off and turn back on right at the top. This button right here, first of all, it does change just this side for your picture of the camera, side left or right. This right here is pretty helpful, that if you have if you're presenting this behind a screen or a light that is flickering, this could help you to change from 50 to 60 or 60 to 50, depending on what lights are you have in your background. So this is a pretty handy thing that can fix right away. This right here, we calibrate the PTZ camera. So when you press it, we'll do a bunch of stuff. So calibrator, ready to go. This right here, just change it for a invert and up and down picture on the camera. And those right here is just the controller where you can turn left, you can turn right, you can turn up and down. It's almost 360 degrees, and also 60 angle up and down, so you can go pretty far. As well, right here, those four buttons right here are scenes and positions that you can actually set up for for changing pretty quickly. I'm going to show you in a moment. To set up a scene, you just have to press this button right here, this right here, and hold with the number that you wanted, and we'll set like that. If you wanted to delete it, you just press the bottom one with the scene, and we'll delete that preset scene. Right here also in the bottom, that's two different zooms. This zoom right here is pretty quickly, and if you're gonna go back that way, and the other one is more slow zoom back and zoom out. So you got two different zooms over here. Now I'm gonna show you how quickly the scene is already set up, those scenes, so you can see how quickly it changed. So scene number 1, I did a zoom on myself. So as you can see, it zoomed pretty quickly. I'm gonna go to number 2, which is a different place, which is show my desk right here with the controller. And also I'm gonna go to the number 3, we show in a different place. Actually, looking into the camera, you can see that goes pretty quickly when they change, and then when you stop it, it will autofocus in that position. And right here, back to me in a little bit more wide view. So as you can see, it does change pretty nice. As I'm gonna change back again, it does change pretty nice one area to the other. It doesn't matter if you're pressing in a different area of the or if you wanted to set up in a different way. It works pretty well, as I can see right here with the controller. And this is a pretty handy controller for those type of things while somebody is talking on the camera, and you can control all this with the controller. So this is all the features of the 410 PTZ conference camera from Nearity. So by looking into the features of the V410 conference camera and what it's capable to do, this camera for sure works best for those looking to add this into your conference room for a video call meetings, presentations, even in a noise environment. The AI noise cancellation is amazing, as you could see, and an image quality and zoom is also pretty good. As this is an easy camera to use and have also a great remote by able to access the camera, I think it could be a great addition to your business. Now, for live streamers like me and people that want to have just a webcam for some live stream in a room like this, this is probably not for you, since there is much better options out there with some much lower price. Hope this video was helpful, and if you want to check more videos on great mics to enhance your stream setup, just click up here or check out this playlist right here for our channel reviews, and I'm sure that there's something over there that you're definitely gonna looking for. So again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.